Church of the Lord at lahat tayo ay Kristiyano at dito po tayo para sa isang mission.
I hope many of our students believe God.
Gusto natin ng lahat ng maraming students ay nagmaniniwala kay Diyos.
God
Through the waves, one day I'll see that promised land no longer slaves. Though the fear is talking, no one can. I know. God is on the move, hallelujah. God is on the move. Anytime a heart turns from darkness to light, anytime temptation comes and someone stands to fight, anytime somebody lives to Jesus, and there's a